Assalamualaikum. Good morning, students. Students, today we will do activity in English textbook. So come on, take out your English textbook. Enjoy and learn part 1. Open page number 1717. Circle the different letter in each row. Students, what you have to do here? देखो, ये सभी रो में एक डिफरेंट लेटर है, तो वो जो डिफरेंट लेटर है उसे सर्कल करना है. ये रो में एक डिफरेंट लेटर है तो उसे देखना है कौन सा डिफरेंट लेटर है और फिर वो लेटर को आपको सर्कल करना है. Students, you have to find different letter from each row and you have to circle that different letter. See students, see this row. Small a, small b, small a, small a, small a. These 4 letters are small a and this is small b. So this letter is different. So you have to circle this small b. Come on, circle this small b. Yes. Now see this row. Small b, small b, small b, small b, small d. These 4 letters are small b and this letter is small d. So this letter is different. You have to circle this small d. Come on, circle this small d. Now see this row. Small c, small c, small a, small c, small c. See students, these 4 letters are small c and this is small a. So this letter is different. You have to circle this small a. Come on, circle this small a. Yes. Now look here students. See these letters. Small d, small d, small d, small b, small d. See students, these 4 letters are small d and this letter is small b. So this letter is different. देखो ये 5 letters में से ये letter different है, ये small b है. So you have to circle this small b. Come on, circle this small b. Small b. You have to circle this small b. Now see these letters. Small e, small e, small e, small c, small e. So which letter is different? Small c. Yes. So you have to circle this small c. Now see this row students. ये row देखो चलो. Small f, small f, small h, small f, small f. From these 5 letters, which letter is different? Small h. ये letter different है. ये 4 letters small f है और ये small h है. तो ये letter को हमें circle करना है. Small h. You have to circle this small h. Now see this row. Small g, small g, small g, small a, small g. Which letter is different in this row? ये row में कौन सा letter different है? Small a. So you have to circle this small a. Now see this row. Which letter is different in this row? Small h, small f. Small h, small h, small h. See students, which letter is different? Small f. These 4 letters are small h and this letter is small f. So you have to circle this small f. So students, like this you have to do this activity. You have to find different letter in each row and you have to circle that different letter. Okay students, thank you. Have a wonderful day. Allah Hafiz.